Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. This is Shafqat Sinsha. I am here with the lecture number 4 from novel Prisoner of Zenda. As you know that we discussed about the previous three chapters in which the Rasandal has arrived in Rotania and now he is staying in Zenda or in the area of Zenda from where he intend to go to Stelsa on the day of the coronation. Why he is staying there? Knowing the reason, because the Stelsa are the capital of the city, because of the coronation that was likely to take place there, there will be too much uh, throng with the people, and there will be difficult for him to take lodging there. So he decides to stay at Zenda, and from where he will go to Stelsa directly on the day of the coronation. As he was staying there, he comes to know about the situation or the condition of the country, that how rivalry or kind of a calm or a peaceful enmity was going on between the Michael and his brother would be King Rudolf Ilfberg. Michael himself wanted to win that throne for himself. Not only that, but he also wanted to marry Princess Flavia, who was also uh, equal shareholder in that crown or in that throne with the king. All kind of the situation or the conditions were told to him by a lady, or she was the who was the owner of an inn of a small sort of hotel where he was staying one night before. On the very next day, as he was going or he was passing through the forest of Zenda, he had an accidental meeting with the king or the would-be king, the Rudolf Ilfberg. Rudolf Ilfberg was accompanied by two of his loyal or faithful servants, named as the Colonel Sapp and the Fritz von Tarellum. During discussion, Rudolf and his company, means Colonel Sapp, they came to know the connection of the ancestry between Rudolf Rasendal and Rudolf Ilfberg. So King Rudolf very happily called him the cousin, and he invited him to have dinner with him at his shooting lodge where he was staying one night before the coronation. Rudolf Rasendal happily accepted his invitation. He went there. During dinner, all of them they started to take the wine very heavily. Colonel Sept and Fritz they went to sleep very early, and King and Rasendal they took on drinking the wine till late night. In the very late night, when the king was very much tired or fatigued with the similar sort of wine, a bottle of wine which was sent by his step brother or half brother Michael was presented to him. Now, after drinking that bottle of wine, the king went into the condition of unconsciousness, or he became senseless. Rasender also went to sleep because he had also drunk a lot. On the very next day, what happens? Now that is told in this chapter. Now let's see it. Now this is the brief summary that is told in the chapter number 4. The name of this chapter is The King Keeps His Appointment. Means where he had to go, where he has to reach, the king reached there in time. The king is insensible the next morning. The next morning, the king was not conscious. The day of the coronation, because the wine was drugged. Reason beyond that, but the wine means the bottle, the whole of the bottle that was drunk by the king himself was drugged, and it was sent by his own brother Michael. Sept and Fritz are certain that Michael will spread the story that the king was too drunk to attend his coronation and will seize the throne for himself. Now this news or this story has two aspects. On one hand, he will give a bad name to the king, that king is a very drinker. So if he is not able to take care of himself, how he will hold the nation, how he will take care of the nation. So by saying this, he will occupy or he will capture the throne for himself and will marry the Princess Flavia. So this is a kind of fear or a threat that was told or shared by Sept and Fritz. They persuade Rasendal to save the throne for king by impersonating him and going through the coronation in his place. Viewers, you know that in our previous chapters we discussed the Rudolf Rasendal was very much similar in face and body with the king. Because of that, Fritz and Set they tell him that instead king he should go in order to take part in coronation, as Michael cannot achieve the place which is actually the place of the king, means the throne or the monarchy. He is made clean shaven like the king and raised in the cellar of the lodge. Now what happens to the king? The king was not sensible, and the Sept decides, and Set was of the opinion that for 7 or 8 hours he will not recover, he will not gain consciousness. Because of that, the king was put into a room of that lodge or shooting lodge, and there was another person named as the Joseph. Joseph was a very trustworthy servant of the king. He was left there in order to guard or to protect the king. The only other servant, mother of the John, the duke's gamekeeper, is plainly and untrustworthy and has to be bound and caged. यहाँ पे जो दूसरी जो सर्वेंट है लेडी है शी इज नॉट ट्रस्टवर्दी सो शी वॉज टाइड her legs and her hands were tied and handkerchief was put into her mouth and she was also put into cellar or into room. इसको भी एक कमरे में रखा जाता है कैद करके ताकि ये किसी को वहां पे कुछ जाके बता ना सके. The plan is for Rasendal to return secretly with Sept that night. Sept will take the king back to Strelsa and Rasendal will get across the frontier. मंसूबा क्या बनाते हैं कि जो रसेंडल है आफ्टर द वंस द कोरोनेशन इज ओवर, जब ऐसी कोरोनेशन ताजपोशी की रस्म पूरी हो जाती है तो उसके बाद रसेंडल वापस आएगा सेप्ट के साथ उसी शूटिंग लॉज में टिल द टाइम द किंग विल रीगेन हिज कॉन्शियसनेस. किंग जो है होश में आ चुका होगा. सो आफ्टर टेलिंग हिम ऑल द स्टोरी द किंग विल बी टेकन टू द स्ट्रेल्सा. किंग को कैपिटल लाया जाएगा एंड रसेंडल विल पास द बॉर्डर और द फ्रंटियर. रसेंडल बॉर्डर को क्रॉस कर लेगा. Rassendal, now impersonating the king, goes by train to Strelsa with Sept and Fritz. दूसरे दिन जिस तरह से मंसूबा इनका होता है अब स्मॉल सॉर्ट ऑफ वेरिएशन वाज मेड. वो क्या थी कि they had to go at 9 o'clock through train but they reached at the railway station at 8 o'clock. वो थोड़ा जल्दी निकल गए as Michael and his company cannot catch them. वहां पे उनको कैच ना कर सके इस वजह से ये थोड़ा जल्दी निकल जाते हैं. तो किंग जो है किंग reached in the city of the Strelsa uh, at the time that was actually given to him. जो भी इसको टाइम दिया जाता है because of this chapter is named as the king keeps his appointment. Now let's read some of the lines from where you will have a better idea that what is told in this chapter. Uncertain whether the lost bottle was drugged, Sept says King drank too much. अब ये कि किंग सेप्ट को आइडिया नहीं है प्रॉपर कि लास्ट जो बॉटल थी या कि वो ड्रग्ड या उसमें नशा मिलाया गया है या नहीं. तो ही गॉट आइडिया कि किंग ड्रैंक टू मच, उसने बहुत ज्यादा शराब पी. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ही इज नॉट सेंसिबल नाउ. ही ड्रैंक 3 times what either of you did. Now he is asking this question from the Rasendal कि 3 मरतबा they were witness of that he drank 3 thrice. 3 मरतबा ने पी. व्हाट ईदर ऑफ यू डिड, उसके बाद क्या किया आप लोगों ने. सेप्ट कमेंट्स ऑन द सीरियसनेस ऑफ द सिचुएशन. The whole nations there to meet, half the army, the Black Michael at the head. Shall we send word that king's drunk? सेप्ट एक आइडिया देता है कि पूरी पूरी की पूरी नेशन दे आर दैट इज वेटिंग देयर. हाफ द आर्मी, आधी वहां पे आर्मी मौजूद है और माइकल जो है मींस द डेविल or you can call him the culprit. Now he is present at the head, वो सबसे आगे वो खड़ा हुआ है. Now in that condition should we send a message that the king is drunk कि किंग ने बहुत ज्यादा शराब पी ले, यहाँ पे नहीं आ सकता. सो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ इंप्रेशन इट वुड लीव और व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी विल इट प्रोवाइड टू द माइकल. माइकल को कौन सी अपॉर्चुनिटी यहाँ से मिलेगी. पीपल नो दैट किंग इज फॉन्ड ऑफ ड्रिंकिंग. दे नो हिज इलनेस टू वेल. ही हैज बीन इल बिफोर. अगर अच्छा एक आइडिया यहाँ पे देता है रसेंडल देता है, इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग दैट ही इज ड्रंक वी शुड से हियर दैट ही इज इल. ठीक है, तो सेप्ट क्या कहता है कि ही हैज गॉट बैड रेपुटेशन बिकॉज ऑफ ड्रिंकिंग टू मच, क्योंकि पहले भी एक तरह से पॉपुलैरिटी बहुत ज्यादा खराब है। सो पीपल नो हिम वेरी मच, ही हैज बीन इल लाइक दिस बिफोर, तो इससे पहले भी इस तरह से बीमार पड़ चुका है, मीन्स के ही हैज बीन विक्टिम ऑफ दैट अनकॉन्शियसनेस बिकॉज ऑफ ड्रिंकिंग टू मच इन द पास्ट, बहुत ज्यादा पीने की वजह से माजी में भी जो है इसका शिकार रह चुका है। Sapped hence Michael's popularity has Estrelsa to another candidate. Michael is very much popular in the Estrelsa. King जो है हमने previous chapters में discuss किया था कि King has remained a good or a good portion of his life abroad. मुल्क से बाहर रहा है because of the, and Michael has remained in the country and people like him very much. So means the Estrelsa or the city has got the another candidate. तो शहर के पास दूसरा candidate भी है. If King is not arrived there, that means the Michael is the best candidate or best choice for there. Seth comments on the seriousness of the situation. As gods alive, when the throne's lost, if the king shows himself not in Israel today, अगर आज के दिन वहां पे किंग नहीं पहुंचता, that means कि throne is lost from him forever, और हमेशा के लिए वो तख्त को या हुकूमत को खो देगा. The reason of Seth's support is his loyalty to the kingdom, the drunken dog, but he has an Elfurg and the son of his father, and may I rot in all before Black Michael sits in his place. So this is a kind of expression of feelings or emotion which is shown by the Colonel Sept. Colonel Sept एक तरफ से अपने गुस्से का इजहार भी करता है, जैसे he calls the king as the drunken dog while he kicks him. क्विक भी करता है, लात में मारता है, लेकिन फिर कहता है आफ्टर ऑल ही इज Elfurg and he's the son of the same father to whom Colonel Sept was very much loyal. वो कहता है कि मुझे जहन्नुम में डाला जाए, मैं जहन्नुम में जाके जल के मरूं इससे पहले कि माइकल जो है वो तख्त पे बैठे. Sept considers Rassendel's arrival as divine help. As man grows old, he believes in fate. Fate sent you here. Fate sends you now to Estrelsa. Now this is the point के arrival of Rassendel is considered by Colonel Sept as a godly help. खुदा की तरफ से मदद कंसिडर करता है. एंड ही सेज कि जब इंसान बूढ़ा हो जाता है he starts to believe in fate. Now fate has brought you here. Now fate will lead you or get you to the Estrelsa tomorrow. और तकदीर ही तुम्हें कल जो है वो एस्ट्रेल्सा की तरफ लेके जाएगी. Sept initially जो Rasendal होता है, he is not ready or willing to go there, but Sept after means having huge arguments with him, Sept convinces Rasendal to impersonate the king की जगह लेने के लिए उसको convince करता है, persuade करता है, आमादा करता है. If you don't go, I swear to you, Black Michael will sit tonight on the throne and the king lie in the prison or his grave. कल two of the things which are going to happen if you are not going. One, the Black Michael will sit on the throne, एक तो वो तख्त पे बैठ जाएगा, and second, there is no guarantee that the king would be alive or not. ये जिंदा रहेगा या नहीं रहेगा. और यहाँ पे situation is very much clear. There is a least or smaller possibility of being him alive on the next day. Sap does everything for the sake of his duty and disregards any offense that may cause to the king. और why he was doing all this Sept ये सब क्यों कर रहा है? Because of his duty to his country, duties to his king, और उसकी वजह से ये सब कुछ कर रहा है. Are we women? Who cares for his forgiveness? Sept is determined to save the throne for the king. If we are detected, I shall send Black Michael down before I go to myself. So help me heaven. Now this is a kind of a determination that is shown here in this sentence. Okay, if we are detected means if people we are known to the people, then the first thing I will do, I'll kill Black Michael before that we are killed. Okay, now for this he is asking help from God. Rasendal gets ready. I dressed myself in the uniform of the colonel of the guard. Now this is a line now that narrates that the Rasendal is now ready. Now he has put on the uniform of the colonel, or they put on the uniform of the king. In fact, Sapt instructs Rasendal in the history of the king. Sapt instructed me most minutely in the history of my past life, of my family, of my taste, pursuits, weakness, friends, companions, and servants. He also told me the etiquette of the Rotarian code. Etiquette कहते हैं आदाब को, अखलाक को. Sapt इसको whatever was required he tells him. इसको सब कुछ बताता है और इसके बारे में इसकी जो वीकनेस है एज अ किंग, जो तुम्हारे दोस्त हैं, साथी हैं, जो भी हैं, और तुम्हारी पसंद क्या है, नापसंद क्या है, और मोर एंड मोर ओवर वो क्या चीज है, दैट इज द एटिकेट ऑफ द रोथन कोड, मींस के बीइंग अ किंग हाउ यू नीड टू बिहेव, किस तरह तुम्हें बिहेव करना है। The Rutherny king was Catholic, but not Rasendal. Sapt gives him a rudimentary lesson in the practice and observance of the Romish faith. ये उसको उसकी अकीदे के बारे में बताता है इसका, हालांकि ये जो अपने बिलीफ में है वो किंग से डिफर करता है, लेकिन इस सब के बावजूद इसको बताता है। सेप्ट कमेंट्स ऑन रेसेंडल्स क्राविंग फॉर फूड, यू आर इन एल्फ एवरी इंच ऑफ यू। अब ऑन द वे ये डिमांड करता है कुछ खाने पीने की, तो यहाँ पे रेसेंडल कहता है कि तुम हकीकत में पहले से बने हुए एक तरह से रेसेंडल हो, सॉरी रेसेंडल एक एल्फर फैमिली से बिलोंग करती हो, बिकॉज यू हैव गॉट ऑल काइंड ऑफ हैबिट्स ऑफ द एल्फर फैमिली। तुम वैसे भी उनके एंसेस्टर से बिलोंग करते हो, तुम्हारे अंदर आदात भी वही है। सेप्ट फ्रॉम द रेसेंडल ऑफ अनदर डेंजर, यू मस्ट बी एज सिविल एज बेटर टू कार्डिनल, we hope to win him over। कार्डिनल कौन है? ही इज द हेड प्रीस्ट ऑफ द कैथेड्रल, जो वहां पे सबसे बड़ा चर्च है उसका, जो सबसे बड़ा पादरी है उसका है कार्डिनल। और उसके साथ तुम्हें यू हैव टू बी हम्बल एंड obliged, उसके साथ तुम्हारा रवैया जो है वो नर्म होना चाहिए, बल्कि मोहब्बत वाला होना चाहिए। वी होप टू विन हिम ओवर, हमें उसका एतमाद जीतना है, बिकॉज ही एंड माइकल हैव स्टैंडिंग क्वारल अबाउट देयर प्रेसिडेंस। और माइकल और उसका आपस में झगड़ा है, और नाउ वी हैव टू टेक एडवांटेज और वी हैव टू टेक बेनिफिट ऑफ दैट क्वारल बिटवीन माइकल एंड हिम, हमें उसका फायदा उठाना है। ठीक है, तो yours, so this is the end of this chapter। now in next chapter we'll read that how Rasendal happens to what happens to the Rasendal when he arrives in the capital or in Estrelsa।